Hey everyone, it's Helga. In this video, I'm showing you how to make this super aesthetic 3D beaded strawberry. It's the perfect size for a keychain or a cute charm for your bag. By the way, I have other beaded fruit tutorials on my channel, so definitely check those out if you love this vibe. To make our strawberry, I'm using 4mm glass rondelle beads in red and green. I'll be weaving with a clear 0.25mm fishing line. Go ahead and cut about 60 inches of your line. String 5 red beads and cross the other end through the last one. Level the ends so they're even and center the beads on your line. String one more red bead and cross both ends through it. Pull it tight. Now, weave the right end into the opposite bead and the left end into the side beads as shown. This creates the very tip of our strawberry. Flip it over so the tip is pointing down. We'll hold it like this as we work. On the left line, add 4 red beads and cross the right end through the last one. Once you pull it tight, tuck the bottom line into the nearest bead. Now add 3 red beads to the left and cross the right end through the last one. Pull tight and weave the bottom line into the next bead in the circle. Repeat that again. 3 red beads on the left and cross. Pull tight and tuck the bottom end into the next bead. Repeat one more time. This time, tuck the line through one extra bead to connect it back to the start of the row. Pick up 2 red beads on the left. Cross through the last one. And tuck the end into the nearest bead. This is what we have so far. Moving on to row 2, add 5 red beads to the left and cross the right end through the last one. After pulling it tight, weave the bottom line through the 2 nearest beads from the previous row. On the left, add 4 red beads and cross through the last one. Weave the bottom end into the next 2 beads. Repeat. 4 beads on the left and cross. Weave the bottom end through the next 2 beads. Repeat that step. But this time, pass the line through one extra bead to close the row. To finish row 2, add 3 red beads to the left and cross. Pull it tight and tuck the right line into one more bead. Ready for row 3. Add 4 red beads to the left and cross. Weave the bottom line into the nearest bead from the previous row. Now add 3 red beads to the left and cross. Pull tight and weave the bottom end through the next 2 beads. Add 3 red beads to the left and cross. Weave the bottom line into the next bead. Then add 3 red beads to the left and cross. Weave the bottom end through the next 2 beads. Keep following this pattern until you reach the end of the 3rd row. At the end, weave the line into one more bead to connect the row. Add 2 red beads to the left and cross. Pull it tight and tuck the right line into the nearest bead on the right. Starting row 4, add 4 red beads to the left and cross. Weave the bottom line through the 2 nearest beads on the right. Add 3 beads to the left and cross. Weave through the next 2 beads on the right. Add 3 more to the left and cross. Weaving through the next 2 beads. Repeat this all the way through the fourth row. At the end of row 4, weave the line through 3 beads to connect it back to the start. Add 2 beads to the left and cross. Pull it tight and tuck the right end into the nearest bead. Row 5. On the left, string 1 red, 1 green and 1 red bead. Cross the right end through the last red one. Weave the bottom line through the 2 nearest beads on the right. Add 1 green and 1 red bead to the left. Cross through the red one. Weave the bottom end through the next 2 beads. Again, 1 green and 1 red on the left, crossing through the red one. Weave through the next 2 beads. Repeat this until the end of the row. At the end of row 5, weave through 3 red beads to connect everything. Cross the ends through 1 new green bead. Here is how our strawberry looks. Now let's finish the top. Flip it over so the line is at the bottom. Row 6. Add 2 green beads to the left and cross through the last one. Tuck the right end into the nearest green bead from the previous row. Now add just 1 new green bead and cross. Tuck the right line into the next green bead. Repeat this for the rest of row 6. Connect the start and end of the row and bring your line back into the same position. Now, add 2 green beads to the left and 1 green bead to the right. Cross the right end through the last bead on the left. Pull it tight. On one of the ends, string 4 green beads. Take that same end and loop it back through the second to last bead. This is the strawberry stem. You can add your hardware or a jump ring here if you want to hang it. Tuck that same end into the bead opposite the other line. Add 1 green bead to each end and tuck them into the opposite side of the strawberry top. secure the ends by weaving them into the piece. Tie 2 or 3 knots. Hide the knot inside a bead and snip off the excess. Your beaded strawberry is ready. Let me know in the comments which fruit I should make next. See ya!